Hi, I'm Almonds. I'm chef recipe consultant for the Pure Food Company. Today we're going to be making a beautiful cauliflower and almond soup, and this is part of an immunity soup series. So what we're doing with this is we're utilising the Pure Food Company's purees and then leveraging those and making real simple soup recipes from that. So I'll just talk you through the ingredients of this recipe and then we'll actually go ahead and cook those ingredients. So first off, obviously you've got the Pure Food Company's Cauliflower Gratin, so we're using 500 grams of this puree as the base for this recipe. The star of the show obviously is almonds, so these are obviously packed with vitamin E. Really nutritional benefits from vitamin E are just widespread. What I tend to say is please use nuts, or any nuts I guess, with the brown skin contained. Reason being is that most of the antioxidants are highly concentrated in the skin, so try and avoid using those blanched white almonds if you can. So that's 60 grams of those almonds. We've got some dates here. Now these are really good for obviously a natural sweetener. They're going to bring some lovely kind of caramel sweet flavours to it. We're only using 30 grams, so it's not going to be overbearing. Dates are also packed with antioxidants, flavonoids and carotenoids. And are really great for immunity as well, so 30 grams of those. The kind of Middle Eastern flavours going to bring into that is cumin, so we've got about 2 teaspoons of crushed cumin seeds and about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in there. Now this is Harissa Paste, beautiful Moroccan sauce condiment. We're using the Cully's Harissa Paste for this recipe. This is just 10 grams. This particular Harissa Paste is quite hot, so I'll just be mindful of not overdoing it with the Harissa Paste. So this will just give like a nice warming flavour to the soup. The liquid contents of the soup is just 200 grams of milk, 700 mils of hot water with 15 grams of chicken stock, and then also 20 grams of beautiful extra virgin olive oil, which has many great health benefits as well. So that's it, guys, just 8 simple ingredients, all go into one delicious soup. So without further ado, let's just go and cook this. Okay, so first of all, I'll just pop the olive oil in there and we're just sort of gently warming that in. So this is in a obviously medium-sized pot over a low heat, so gently warming the olive oil up. First of all, we're going to pop in the cumin and the cinnamon seeds, the harissa paste. Stir that around and get those beautiful kind of Moroccan aromatic flavours come out. Next, throw in the dates, the chopped dates. Stir those around for about 30 seconds to a minute, just to soften them up a bit. Let those dates sort of get coated with those beautiful spices. Beautiful. Okay, once you get those beautiful kind of aromas coming up, next you pop on the toasted almonds, the cauliflower gratin puree, chicken stock, grams of milk, pop that in, give that a stir around. Bring that to the boil, so increase the heat to high. Once it comes to the boil, drop the heat down to a low heat and then pop the lid on, and it will cook for about 10 to 15, 20 minutes. And that's it, simple as that. Alright, so our soup's been sort of simmering away on a really low heat for about 15 minutes. I've just been stirring it occasionally. But it looks like it's ready to blend up now, so all those lovely flavours have come together beautifully. So let's get this soup blending. Okay, it's blend time. Just one very important point before you blend up a hot soup. Just make sure you cool it down for at least 10 minutes before doing so. Okay, here we go. Alright, so just a couple of finishing touches to this beautiful soup. I'm going to put on a nice dollop of probiotic yogurt. Some freshly chopped coriander. Serve that up with a beautiful wholemeal bread roll, and there you have it, a nutritious, healthy, simple, quick recipe that you can come up with utilising the Pure Food Company's fortified nutrition and purees. Easy enough to do it in your kitchens, so go ahead and try it yourselves. Thank you.